And one strange thing happened today with my drone, and suddenly what I heard is landing in that spot. I was shit scared. It somehow came to my direction and it crash landed in some bushes. Good morning. This is our day 3 of the Kerala trip in our new Scorpio NZ4. It has already started drizzling. It's not too heavy. It is pleasant, but what it will affect is probably my drone flying. So today, if all goes well, we have some exciting places to cover. We'll keep you posted. Please stay with us. The view from the room looks like this. This is how the way to Sam Valley homestay was. Too narrow, and our madam is trying her best to help me. We left Sam Valley homestay at around 10:15. We couldn't find any pure vegetarian hotel inside the Vagamon town. Probably we have covered 15 minutes of our journey and we are heading towards Ulipunni top station. I'm not sure if we can drive in our car or will there be any Jeep Safari option available there. So we will go there and check it out. But the driving experience to Ulipunni top station is amazing. We have taken a pit stop here. We are having breakfast with the bread and jam that we had, and Mr. Tanmay, he is feeding a stray dog here.
Tommy? Hi, hello guys. Today, day 3. Actually, we are planning to go Ulipunni. My father is asking which route is Ulipunni.
Record madidya. We took a drastic deviation to go to Ulipunni Viewpoint, and 360-degree it's all tea estates. I could spot only a couple of tea plantation workers. They don't know my language, I don't know their language, but somehow we could collaborate well, and he confirmed if we drive for another 5 to 10 minutes there is probably a bigger place to turn around my vehicle. But from there, is that the Ulipunni or should I go further? I have no clue. So until it is safe, I will keep driving, and whenever I feel unsafe, I'll take a U-turn. A random pit stop. So I think we have done a very little off-roading and we have come inside a tea estate, and probably this will join a main road which goes to Ulipunni. Let's see how far we can go. I'll keep you posted. Stay with me.
Unfortunately, I could not continue the drive further as the road condition was even tougher. So we decided to head back to the main road to continue to our next exciting destination, Illikkal Kallu, known for its magnificent monolith located on top of the Illikkal Mala in Kottayam district.
The clouds are covering the famous Illikkal and the view is amazing. Only disadvantage is it's a little hot right now. Finally, we have successfully completed the Illikkal. So we paid around 200 rupees for the entry, parking and drop from parking place to the viewpoint. So it's around 10-15 minutes of drive and they take 40 rupees per head on sharing basis. And it was as usually crowded. We found some best isolated places to take some beautiful photos and drone shots. And one strange thing happened today with my drone. From a safe place, I was very confident and I flew the drone towards the Illikkal and below is a massive depth. So if the drone is gone for any reason, it's just gone forever. And I took some beautiful shots and I was navigating and I was trying to rotate to get a better view. And suddenly what I heard is landing in that spot. I was shit scared. It was just coming down drastically. I knew something has gone wrong terribly. So I clicked the forward button and it somehow came to my direction and it crash landed in some bushes. I know maybe I could have clicked the return to home button, but I was not prepared at that moment and I knew the drone is going below my level. So I had to somehow bring it back home. So I clicked the forward button. I was hitting that forward button and it somehow came towards me. And just before the rails, it crash landed inside the bushes. I was super scared. So there were all chances for me to lose the drone forever. I don't know what was wrong with the drone. So maybe I'll go to some safe place and I'll try to fly again where nobody is probably around. And it was crowded near the jeep parking place, so we decided to walk towards our car parking. It's beautiful. out of the world.